On what criteria vowels are classified? Vowel sounds are classified according to three criteria. Number one, position of lips. Number two, part of the tongue that is raised. And number three, the height to which the tongue is raised. So vowel sounds are classified according to the position of the lips. We have to take into account position of the lips at the time of the production of vowel sound and part of the tongue that is raised and the height to which the tongue is raised. When we consider the position of the lips, we get rounded or unrounded vowels. While we pronounce rounded vowels, lips are drawn together. Opening between the lips will be more or less round. It can be called lip rounding. When the tongue is very close to the roof of the mouth, it is called close rounded. When it is away from the roof of the mouth, it is open. Full rounded vowels are oo and oo, like in pull and pool. There, the shape of the lip is in the full round position. Open lip rounding. For example, coat. First it is open, away from the roof of the mouth. Oh, coat, coat. Our lips are in open lip rounding position. It is open, that's away from the roof of the mouth. At the same time, lip is in rounding position. Coat, oh, out. That is called open lip rounding. E, that is keep. E sound. Keep. E, pet. Their open lip position. The position of the lip is open. Unrounded vowels. This is called unrounded vowels. There is no rounding of the lip. E, spreading level. Keep. E, pet. Their open lip position. It can be called unrounded vowels. Spread vowels. If spreading is marked, spreading at the time of the pronouncing vowel, that means it is not in rounded position, it can be called spread vowels. When we consider the next criteria, that is the part of the tongue that is raised, we get mainly three positions: front, central, and back. Part of the tongue that is raised. Based on that, vowels can be classified as front or central or back. Front vowels means front of the tongue is raised towards the hard palate for the air to pass without any audible friction. While we pronounce E or E, like in sing and seed and said sound. When we pronounce these sounds, front of the tongue, like E, take E sound. Front of the tongue is raised towards hard palate hard part of the roof of the mouth. E, that side. Hard palate for the air to pass without any audible friction. There, the air passes without any audible friction. Such vowels are called French vowels. Then central, second part. There, center of the tongue is raised. Central sounds are produced by raising the central part of the tongue towards the middle part of the roof of the mouth. A, a sound. Cup, but, cup, a, a sound. That time, central part of the tongue is raised towards the middle part of the roof of the mouth. Third category, back. There, tongue is raised towards soft palate. Immediately after hard palate, there is soft palate. Our tongue is raised towards soft palate, like ka, car, ko. When we pronounce there, ka, ko. That time, our tongue is raised towards soft palate, ka, car, ka, cool. Practice it, then you can feel it. Back of the tongue, car, cool. Back of the tongue is raised towards soft palate. The third point, in order to classify the vowel sound, is the height to which the tongue is raised, whether it is high, mid, or low, close, or open. High or close position, high position or close position. That time, tongue is raised close to the roof of the mouth. Close, high, roof of the mouth. Take the example meet, feed, or cool, fool. There, oo sound or e sound. That time, the tongue is raised close to the roof of the mouth. Next one, low or open. Low or open. Tongue is kept low. That means away from the roof of the mouth. Not close. Away from the roof of the mouth. Open or low. Cat, cat, bat, cap, sound. The tongue is not in the position like e. There it is very near to the roof of the mouth. Now it is away from the roof of the mouth. Cat, pat. Next one, half close. While we produce vowel sound that is half close, one third of distance from close to open. First close position, open position. Then one third of distance from close to open position. In between we have half close and half open. So one third of distance from close position to open position of the tongue. Half open. While we pronounce half open vowels, 2/3 of distance from close to open position is maintained. Other terms, in order to classify this, we use high as it is shown here in this table. High or mid, low, lower high, lower mid. All these affect the vowel quality. The quality of vowel will be affected while they are produced from these positions of the tongue. Vowel tension is another factor affecting vowel quality. What do you vowel tension? Vowel tension is nothing but when these vowels are produced, they require tension in particular muscles for production and are long in duration. For example, E. During that time, it requires tension in particular muscles for production. Long time. E. E. That it is very short. U. U. O. A. These type of vowels are called tense vowels or tension in vowels. This is not the tension that we feel from. Tension at the time of production, it may take long duration and particular muscles will be undergoing certain tension. In this table, you can see tense vowels like E, Oo. This is called tense vowels. But lax vowels, there is no dots after E, Oo. Not that much attention at the time of production or pronouncing I and U. But pronouncing E or U takes muscular effort and long duration. Again, A, O, tense vowels. But lax vowels, O. This we will study in detail later. It is there in your textbook. This is the position, the summary of what we said now. Front, there you can see front position of the tongue, front of the tongue, this position, central part, and back of the tongue. And close, front close, that means E. It is very near to the roof of the mouth. The tongue is very near to the roof of the mouth while we pronounce E like in heat. But E is half close, half close. Distance is more here from the roof of the mouth. And head half open. It is in half open position. This is open there away from the roof of the mouth. So it is half open. This is close, half close. Between close and open position, we have half close and half open positions. Central vowels. So first vowel E, 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 A. These are called front vowels. Central vowels uh, here it is in central position and comes central but open. Next, back vowels oo, u, o, these are called back vowels. Then when we consider the position of the lips at the time of pronouncing certain vowels, the lips will be in round position. These are called round vowels. Certain sounds like e, e, the lips are in unround position. So they are called unrounded vowels. Oo, o. The lip shape is in round position. They are called round vowels. Thank you.